Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life in your Cadillac ATS. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This is a simple process that takes just a few moments. You will primarily use the 5-way controller located on the right side of your steering wheel to navigate the menu. This method is quick and easy, helping you maintain your vehicle's service schedule. Now, let's navigate to the correct menu. Use the right arrow on your steering wheel's 5-way controller to cycle through the main menu options until you reach the info section. Once there, gently press the down arrow to scroll through the available information. Continue scrolling until you clearly see the oil life percentage displayed on your dashboard screen. With oil life displayed, it's time to perform the reset. Press and hold the Set/CLR button, which is the center button on your 5-way controller, for approximately 5 seconds. The system will then prompt you to confirm the oil life reset. Simply select Yes or Reset using the controller and press the center button again to confirm your choice. Great job! After confirming the reset, your oil life percentage should immediately jump to 100%, indicating a successful reset. This confirms that your vehicle's system is now updated. You can then turn off your Cadillac ATS ignition. This easy method ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its next oil change interval, keeping your maintenance on schedule.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.